gentlemen. First of all, a happy Solar Cum UPS Day. There is a story behind every product, and there is a story behind every company. So I'll give you a brief about Avi Solar and Private Limited. We are a solar EPC and O&M company based out of Bangalore, Malleshwaram. We are taking baby steps in the industry. We are just about 6 years young, and we've heard legacies here of 32 years, etc. But we are a baby company. During our phase, we learned that when you build something and you want it to grow further, you've got to monitor it, you've got to analyze it. So all of you all know that solar is a very capital-intensive industry. And when you set up large solar farms or a small solar plant on your rooftop, you cannot be sitting in front of the inverter and looking at it and seeing if it is working or not, what is the generation happening. So here we are with a unique product called Eagleson SCADA, which monitors your solar power plant from anywhere. Yes, from anywhere. Let's look at a small trailer and we'll get back to you. Thank you. So that's the trailer of the movie. So the product launch is happening today. While we have also fitted it in a few of our power plants, we would like to give you a small presentation on this product. So if you want it to grow, you've got to monitor it. You've put in a lot of money into it. And all of us know that solar power plants are located in remote locations. So it's difficult for the independent power producers to sit in their offices and monitor. They cannot be in the control rooms. So this data is pumped into the cloud using 2G cards, and that's how you can look at live data on your mobile as well. You can download the app and look at it in your mobile. So, this is also useful for the engineers who do operation and maintenance, because when there is a minimum 1 megawatt is established in about 5 acres, while 100 megawatts would be in 500 acres. If you expect a technician to sit in a control room and see where the fault is, it would be a difficult and a hideous task to do. Wherein the solar string level monitoring, it will definitely tell you which location, which string is having an error, so the technician can directly walk up there and repair it. So that saves a lot of time. To give it a more insight into this, I'd like to welcome on stage our Director Technical, Mr. Somshek Raya. Let's have a huge round of applause for him. It's his brain which has gone into most of them. Thank you so much.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. By the way, our company name is not AVI, we call it as Avi Solar. Well, people spoke about quality here. So once when Henry Ford was asked, what's quality? His answer was, if you do the right thing when no one is watching you, that is quality. And in the culture where we all belong, only when Dr. Sai watches you, we wear the garland. Only when the cop is near you, the signal doesn't matter, right? I think quality is very important. So we thought you cannot deploy a lot of people in a solar megawatt solar plant where it is spread across acres of land. That's when this product idea came to us. So I'll not actually really give too much of a PPT. I know actually I think we are probably running out of time, but would like to say that this is an amazing product developed by some genius. One of them is amongst us here. I would like to call the product architect, Mr. Narayan Swamy, and also the MD of our company, Mr. Ashok DM, who has been inspiring us to develop something on our own, so that as the solar boom is happening, we can monitor everything what's happening on the field. So may I hand over the mic to Mr. Narayan Swamy. The look may be deceiving, but he's a genius, believe me.
Thank you, Suma. First of all, I would like to thank Somshekhar. I would like to thank Dr. Sai for providing an opportunity to present our product. The product's idea started a year back, and when we started getting into the monitoring segment of solar, it required a lot of analysis from what need to be monitored. Like the string need to be monitored, the inverter need to be monitored, the power need to be monitored, the harmonics need to be monitored. So each and every data has to be presented in a way the correction can be made. It's just not monitoring, it's how we find out faults and how the problems can be fixed easily. So this is when the collective team of Avi Solar with vast experience of O&M so helped in designing this product from ground up. So definitely this product is going to come up in age, and it is going to give a solar industry a good run for money. Thank you.
Thank you, Sai, for giving this platform for Avi Solar to launch the product. So we have a fantastic team, comes with a good experience and exposure. We just completed 6 years. In the 6th year, when Sai came to us 2 years back, I said we are struggling in a business. I cannot even sponsor a single page ad. So last year, yes, we did well. We helped him to, and we also presented 1-page ad. This year, we said we want to launch a product. We volunteered ourselves than what he has asked for this year. So I want to say, yes, we are doing well in the solar business. And we are, in a 6 years time, we are now one of the leading O&M service provider for solar power plants, having more than 10% market share in India. With this experience across India, we felt we should do something, make in India, we should go to the global. So this is a product, it is running in more than 20 client places, starting from small rooftop of 5 kilowatt to 10 megawatt power plant. And we are talking to the global power plant owner, which can maybe in a month or two, if everything goes smooth, it can be deployed all over the world for more than 1,200 megawatt across this continent. So this is a product, we are proud about it, and we are competing with the German solar log, and it is as good as this, indigenously made. Since all of us know, we provide a very customized design to match your plant with very, very normal fees and very, very low AMC charges, which none of the European and North American company can offer. This is a problem we come across when we worked as a EPC or O&M. Many European companies, American companies, they put the price, they have good product. Once 1 year gets over, it needs to be serviced. The service cost, I don't think any of the current solar power plant owner can provide it. So this is where we thought, let us have something which is reasonable and fair for Indian market. So this is what the product come out. Definitely all of you will look out for it, and we are here to support you with monitoring your power and energy generated, how your units are functioning. Thank you all.
So, ladies and gentlemen, just to wind up, the product is available on www.eagleson.avisolar.com. Do download the app and monitor your solar plant. Thank you. Have a wonderful evening.